suspiciously light. How beautifully packaged. Hello guys, so today it's a sad day. Well, sort of. It's the end of an era. It is my final Glossybox. I made the executive decision to just cancel it. I know I said in my last video, well, my last Glossybox video, that I was gonna keep going with it for a bit longer, but the money left my bank and I was just looking at the £13.50 and I was like, I could just use that for something else. Do you know what I mean? That I actually like, that excites me a little bit more. So just cancelled it. So we've got this month's box. This is the last box to show you. And this box feels very light, suspiciously light. Let's have a look, shall we? Let's just dive in. Hopefully this is a nice box to end it on. I doubt it, but we'll see. Would you look at that? How beautifully packaged. Stunning. Oh, they've really put some effort into that, haven't they? Gorgeous. There's no thought or care put into it anymore, is there? I remember when I first signed up and it just used to be beautiful. Like really nicely laid out in the box, all tied up beautifully. Now, they just don't give a shit, I don't think. You've got your little card. Don't know what this is. Oh, it's the magazine, but like using less paper, which is nice. Right, first thing is, oh, lovely. Haven't got a million of these. It's a beauty blender by Sophia and Mabel. Can't say I've ever heard of them. I mean, I don't use beauty blenders because I have loads of them, but I just find them, they take too long, and these days with a baby and stuff, I don't have like all the time in the world to be doing my makeup. So I literally just get a brush and just slap it on ASAP. I don't know. Then we have a lip gloss by the brand Larizzi Cosmetics. Again, can't say I've ever heard of them, but let's try it. This is in the shade Verdict. This looks like it's going to be not a very nice colour. Oh no. It's not for me. Not for me. It's almost like a sort of skin coloury type pink. Pinks don't suit me anyway. Don't like them very much. I'm very happy with that. Next thing I can see, which we've had in a box before, or we've had something very similar. I'm pretty sure it's the same product. It's a Doctor's Cosmeceutical Photo Face primer, I believe. Yeah, one of those. Again, I don't really use primers because ain't nobody got time for that. So that's a little disappointing. Then we have, oh, this looks quite interesting. An Avant Persian Sunset Eau de Parfum. You're probably going to struggle to see that because it's a see-through bottle with like really tiny black writing on it. But this is quite a hefty little chunky number, which is nice. That smells good. Fresh. That's nice. Nice, very nice. I like that. That's nice. Very fresh, clean scent. Then lastly, we have a Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint. Let's have a look at this because I used to write off cheek tints, and then I think it was last Glossybox, the one before that, there was a cheek tint in there, and that's what I use every day now. I love it. Okay, this is cute. This might be cute. Sorry about my nails, guys. I haven't painted them in a while. I'm guessing it's that colour. We can swatch it because I'll probably end up using this. Ooh, wow. She's already sticking out the top. I don't see that. It's just a nice little pinky orangey, I'd say, glow. That will get used. Yeah, right, that's my last Glossybox. Could have been better. I like 2 out of the 3 products. Oh, sorry. He's just sat here watching me do the video. He's like right here and he's just like giggling at me. Do you find this funny? Is this hilarious to you? yeah, do excuse him. In video, I keep forgetting to say, in videos, he sits next to me and he just makes little noises. And it sounds like, I don't know, his noises are just weird. Like he's like snorting and all sorts. I promise you he's fine. He's just sat there entertaining himself for 5 minutes. Aren't you? We have little chats the whole way through. He's all good. You're all good, aren't you? Yeah. So yeah, that was my last Glossybox. I like 2 out of 3 of the items. I like these 2. And I dislike the primer, the lip gloss and the sponge. So this is what I mean, like for £13.50 and only liking 2 things or using 2 things out of the box, it's not really worth it, is it? And I'd find myself chucking stuff in drawers. I'd find myself chucking some of the stuff in drawers and it'd never get used, or I'd use it once and then leave it and I've technically wasted the whole thing and I feel really bad about it. So I'd rather not be getting wasted products through the post I'm not going to use or use just once. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This will be the last one. If you guys got this month's box, do let me know if you liked it. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cough. I'm trying to hold it off. Yeah, let me know if you liked it and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.